So let's first make sure that that we see it. So I will give it a large amplitude. The amplitude now is in terms of angle. No damping at all. And if you look closely at the turning point, you can say, yeah, it is decaying. Give it a little bit of time. But very slowly, yeah, you can see it decaying. You have to wait a long time to see the amplitude go down by a factor of E, because you have such a very high Q system. But now, I'm going to give it damping. It's still underdamped. First give it the high amplitude. There we go. Damping is in now. And look how fast it's going now. With this system, I cannot show you an example of overdamping. We did that, and then the current has to be so high that we began to smell smoke. So we decided not to do that. But if I go to the point where you just don't smell smoke, then you're still underdamped, but you get a huge amount of damping. And the reason why I can say with confidence that it's still underdamped, I release it at 0 speed. And if I release it at 0 speed, and if it is overdamped, it can never overshoot. And yet you will see that there is a minute overshoot. So it is still underdamped, but it's getting very close to being critically damped. And so I will jack this up to the maximum possible. I can go way beyond 15. Is that the smoking domain? It's okay. We don't go to the smoking domain, right? So I will first put in the damping, and then I will offset it and let it go. Damping is in now. I will offset it and let it go. 3, 2, 1, 0. You see the overshoot? Just a teeny weeny little. That tells you that it is still underdamped, because it's not supposed to overshoot since I release it at 0 speed. Of course, if I give it a push in that direction, of course it will overshoot. That's obvious. But if I do it with 0 speed, that solution that we have on the blackboard dictates that it cannot overshoot. I'll show it once more, and you will see the overshoot. That's it. So that is the whole story about damping. We have underdamping, we have critical damping and overdamping. And let this not put a damper on it. I will see you again on Thursday, and make sure you pick up your 803 kits.